Mike Innovative garage door, Horman garage door bottom section and intermediate section replacement. Zooming in, there's the two new panels. Uh-oh, there's the bad one. Whammo. Where's the other one? Here it is. Whammo, right there. You can see the crease. Okay. Two smash sections. You don't need a whole new door. So, we put this door in a couple years ago. The smoked window top glass. So you can't really see in at all. You see the reflection. Sunset, that's nice. But two section bottom replacement here on this Horman door. 16-foot door. I'll take you inside real quick and show you how we kind of do it. It's a little different than a regular, but that vice grip there holds the section from flopping because you got to take off the actual roller holder with its pinch resistant sections. So then you got vice grip holding it up there, and then we always put a vice grip on the cable. So when we backwind the spring, it holds the tension on the cable. We're also going to be doing a spring job here because whammo, it's broke too. So we're going to do a spring job when we're done. But same thing on this side, vice grip, and then cable, or excuse me, vice grip on the cable to hold tension. And we're going to pop these hinges off, pop in these new sections, and we have a brand new door again. And then you can see too these windows that kind of go off to the side a little bit. You can see they're smoked. So you can't see out. It's a real nice touch there on this. So there's all the rest of the pinch resistant hardware, angle mount, lock nut as we usually do. And those are whopper springs, 40-inch 262s, like 55,000. But that's that. Here's the side shot when we're done for all your door needs. Innovative Door, 630-271-9343. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, drop a comment, drop a like. We'll help you out any way we can. Thanks for watching our bottom two section garage door video, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our replace two section video with a spring job.